Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Whimsy Stamps Glorious Sky Slimline paper pack. You will get 30 sheets of the paper pack and you will receive 2 of each design. Each pattern paper has a beautiful sky background. You can do so many different types of cards with this paper pack. You can team it up with the new Slimline cloud die that just came out, or you can pair it up with the new Savior die and stamp set that just came out. I did make one card for you. I used the Glorious Sky paper for the background along with the Savior stamp and die set. I hope you enjoyed this release and head on over to the Whimsy website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.